buy that. That's a 12-second run. 1240. That's a 1240. Oh, boy! I did not expect 11 seconds. Phenomenal amount of horsepower when you think about cubic inch. That's the ratio. And he'll turn that thing, he'll turn it 10,000 RPM. We're running a Jericho transmission, grabbing those gears. A nice 10, 6, and 3. You gotta come on back and do it. Too late. The viper's already on, buddy. It's gone. Look at that little raglan. He's gonna go. Oh, 1138. Can you believe that? Boy, y'all gonna be running down the Mercedes dealer. I want one of those. Alright, here we go. We've got that GTR. Don't that thing look sleek? You know, the only thing I like about it is the way that slant. And look, it got the top on it. That makes it look cool, man. I'm serious. I mean, it looks cool. Going up against a Shelby 500 Mustang. Oh, man. Shelby. Oh, it's over. It's over. It's already over before it got started. Take that forward to the house. I need a little more horsepower. It's tough. That's a good race, though.